There are the other branches of grammar, and when we are going to pay attention to learn these things, then first of all, there are the tenses. How can anybody understand how to make present tense, past tense, future tense, and many tenses? There are some rules. If one follows the rules, how to frame the present tense, then there is a rule that we should have the knowledge of personal pronouns. They are just first person, second personal pronoun, third personal pronoun. And just as I say, I, we, you, he, she, it, they. While framing present tense, we have to select one infinitive. And when infinitive is selected, then we are to make it imperative and remove to from it. Then that infinitive becomes imperative or verb. And we are going to put it before the pronouns I eat a mango. We eat a mango. You eat a mango. He eats a mango. She eats a mango. It eats a mango. They eat mango. This is the rule and formula how to make a present tense. Thus, all the sentences are said, are made. And if one has got, the student has got command over making present tense, past tense, future tense, present continuous tense, past continuous tense, or future continuous, then comes the turn of present perfect tense and past perfect tense. When they are made, or he has got command or she has got command over making them, then it means that half of the grammar is learned by the student. But from very beginning, in the first classes, just as 6th class, 7th class, 8th class, the attention is not given to teach these things. And students remain just as raw students, unknown about grammar. When we are going to complete the grammatical things about the tenses, then comes the turn of how to make passive voice. Then we have to change them into passive voice. And for making passive voice, we can have a formula. Subject will be changed into object, and the third form will be made of the verb, and object will be put in the place of subject. And then we shall put the verb out to be in the sentence to make it passive voice, in which the sentence is said. Just like all the tenses will be made, changed into passive voice. And this is the formula. And the students must learn it from a competent teacher. Otherwise, grammars are full. With these notes, with these references, with guidelines, but at home the students are unable to understand it. For their learning, teacher's guidance is must. Then I shall say, when these chapters are over, then we are to start direct and indirect narration. And it is grammatically most important chapter in which one knows how to change the direct speech into indirect speech. So, on the whole, I'm going to say to the students that please contact with such a teacher who must have been able or is able to teach you grammar properly. Otherwise, your English, what you will try to speak, will be very defective and it will be full of demerits and it will not be rightly correct. These were some points about the grammar I said, but grammar does not end here. Grammar has another difficult subject, chapter, that is analysis, where the sentences are divided into classes: principal class, subordinate class, coordinated class, adjective class, adverb class, and this is also some type.